Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faithfully Asia. If this is your first time visiting on this channel, I discuss all things hair, wigs, beauty, and makeup. So if you find this video helpful, be sure and subscribe at the end. So dolls, today I have a different video. I am going to be installing a curly wig with a bang. Y'all know I don't do bangs. I probably have done 2 bang videos in the entirety of my channel, and I've been on this platform for a few years now. In any event, this unit is by XrsBeauty. I will say that the curls look very pretty and juicy straight out the box. This is the bang part. It looks kind of long. I'm not sure why the bangs would be this long. Let me go ahead and try it on and let's see what it's looking like. Now, one thing I do remember about XrsBeauty is that their units are big head friendly. So I am going to definitely put this on the tightest latch in the back. And it also does come with an adjustable elastic band. And really quickly before I put it on, let me just let you guys look at the lace construction. So even though this is a wig with bang, there is lace, so you can part it if you want to, or if you want to wear it without a bang. But I'm gonna go for the bang look. At least that's what I think I'm gonna do. Let's go ahead and see. Okay, so straight out the box, I look like a mop. Given very much mop, clean the kitchen, Sunday morning vibes right now. So let's go ahead. It's a curly unit. So y'all know I always go ahead and co-wash my curly units. Let me co-wash this and see if I could do something and make something of this unit. All right, be right back. Okay dolls, so this is what the unit looked like after I co-washed it. As you can see, the curls did loosen up a little bit, but they still are very much beautiful. These curls are so pretty. I'm excited to put it on. So I went ahead and tried the unit on, and these bangs are still long as hell. And as you guys can see, this unit does not come pre-plucked or bleached. It is a curly unit with a bang, so I guess that makes sense. However, if you do want to bleach it or pluck the knots, you can go ahead and do that. And this way you'll have a 2-for-1. So I'm trying to inspect the parting space. It's not really giving me what I'm used to because, like I mentioned, it's not bleached. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these bangs because, like I said, this is supposed to be a curly unit with a bang. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the bang. In hindsight, I probably would have left it and just rocked it as a curly unit. But that's so normal. You know, I wanted to go for a different look. And this is the look that I was trying to go for. So after I cut the bangs, I did take a big tooth comb and I started fluffing the curls out just to give it to get some type of shape and for it to get a lot more bigger. You guys know if you mess with curly units, as you play with it and like pull the curls apart, it will start getting big. And as you can see, this unit is getting much more bigger and fuller before your eyes. So this is what it looked like after I finished fluffing it out. I was kind of feeling it, but I don't know. I'm just so not used to seeing myself in bangs that I didn't even feel like myself. I'm Rick James, bitch. Oh no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I should have changed that stupid lock. What's the words? Okay, yeah, I get it. Diana, I'll be here all week. I don't know what to do with this. So after my little panic attack and Rick James and Diana Ross singing session, I started playing with it, and as you guys can see, I am starting to feel this unit on me. You can tell when I start feeling the unit on me, I start smiling. If I'm not smiling, I'm not feeling it. But she started to look a little cute on me or whatever. I don't know, you guys, do you like me in bangs or no? Be honest, don't worry, my feelings will not be hurt. So I decided I was going to just kind of like trim the ends of this a little bit, because I did feel like this unit was such a like straight cut, and I prefer for the curly units to have some type of shape or form. But I didn't want to cut it too much because I didn't really want to make it a short wig. I did like the length of the unit as I got it. And then after I finished, I slightly mist it with the spray from my water, and then I went over it with a diffuser to fluff it out. Honestly, this unit is perfect for those of you guys who have trouble laying your lace. Then I decided to do some finger coils on the wig, and as you guys can see on the mannequin, those coils was looking so cute on that mannequin. Yeah, so this just to give you an idea of how cute this will look on people who wear bangs. Okay, so if you're not feeling on me, don't discredit the unit, because it still could very much look good, because as you can see, the curls are beautiful. It's just, I don't know, I'm just trying to get it to really like shape my face. So I played with it some more, and I made it a little bit thicker, and now I really feel like I'm giving Diana Ross at this point. But I was just trying to go for a different look. You guys let me know, do you prefer it in this state, or do you prefer it before I made it so big? So I really was trying to style this without plucking the unit, but honestly, I didn't feel like plucking them. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I did not feel like plucking those knots. So I was like, okay, let me slightly pluck the knots along the parting space. So I decided, okay, what the heck? Let me go ahead and pluck these knots. So after I finished plucking the knots, I did go and add some baby hairs, just because, you know, it's a curly unit. So let's add some little baby hairs. And I did add some concealer along the parting space. And as you can see, the knots on the units don't look bad. It actually looks like I bleached it, and I didn't. I just add the concealer. And then I'm just adding some hair sheen to this hair just to give it a little bit of shine and fluff it out. And your girl got a side part curly unit. Now I am feeling this one. I don't know. I'm feeling the side part a little bit better. You guys tell me which one y'all prefer. Do you prefer the side part, or do you prefer the bangs in the front? In any event, this unit does offer you some versatility, and if you are a bang girl, I really feel like you'll have a lot of fun just kind of playing with this unit and seeing what styles you could put into it. And I did come a little close so you guys can see the texture of this, the curls. And guys, I do have a coupon code for you guys, so if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I'm gonna have that across the screen, and I'm gonna have it linked in the description box down below. And y'all be sure to let me know which way you prefer it styled on me. But before we get out of here, guys, I need y'all to help me name this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the Faithful fam, hit that subscribe button on your way out. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care now.